Can you guys hear that? Cicadas or cicadas or whatever. They're so loud in Ohio. Crazy. Alright guys, so I just got back from my maiden voyage. I didn't go very far. I just went across the track into the pits. Practiced a ton of backing up. Which, oh my god, I need more practice. So now, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your trailer. Alright, so first thing I have to do is drop the jack. So I'm going to unplug this. Maybe? There we go. There goes my hat. This is going to take an eternity. I do have to get something taller. Maybe another set of Camco blocks, I guess. Alright, so once that's centered, I have to pick up this hitch quite a bit so I can get these out. Let me just take out my little pins. It's the only thing I don't really like about this E2 hitch system is these. I feel like I'm going to lose these. I'll put them here for now. Alright, so that one's still too tight. There we go. All right. That's one. And then I actually don't really know how this comes out. All right, so these bars have to be like all the way forward to pull them out. I'm not gonna be able to even hold this. And then I already started to put the tongue down so I can get weight off of this and pull this pin. You don't want to do that when it's in the air. Let's see if I can figure this out. Well, I think that's unlocked. Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy about this style. There we go. That's in. And then that's out. Oh, let's do our safety chains. And these safety chains are actually handy with the tongue cover, which I'll show you. Wrap those there for now. All right. See if it comes off the ball. Sort of. There we go. Make sure it clears. All right, pull my truck forward without this stuff on it so I don't lose all my pins. No, you guys gotta wait. They think we're going somewhere. We're not going anywhere. Plus it's like 900 degrees in here. Alright, pull forward. Now I'm by myself, so I'm going to throw it in reverse. Make sure that I've cleared, which I have. Excuse the mess in here. Oh, it's so hot. Alright, so now, pups, we're not going anywhere. I'm gonna grab my level. I don't even know where my level is. Oh, it's right here. So we're gonna do like front to back. This is magnetic, which is cool. All right, so you can see the bubble. So obviously the trailer needs to come down. Now I'm really lucky here because this spot I previously leveled and left to right is level, so that's nice. All right, so let's go down. That's up because I'm retarded. Now we're going down. I'll kind of keep an eye on this cobble. All right, level front to back. Unplug power. Face this down so it's not in the rain. All right, so get my little blocks in place. Excuse the long grass. And I'm sure I'm gonna have to move these again. Hear the bugs? They're so loud. Badger, you're always in the way. Go, Badge. I need another set of these already. All right, 2 more for the other side. 1, 2. All right. Oh, I also need, might as well just get this out now, wheel chock. All right, so these, you really just want to put on the ground until they're touching. I have this cheap impact from Amazon, so it works well, and a 19mm socket. So try to go slow, because you also, I don't know if that's in the exact position, which it's not. And I just greased these because the threads, excuse me, were a little sticky. So I like to angle them. I actually don't love this setup. I'd like to do some pressure treated wood. I know it's heavier, but I just don't love this. So anyway. Like just like that. All right, oh, look who it is in the shade. All right, about there. All right, position it. Okay. That was probably a little much. Okay. Ugh. I don't know where the rest of the other dogs went. Actually, let me just pull this out a little more. There we go. All right, one more. You know, it's my first RV and I'm like, oh my God, this is so much work. Setting up and stuff. Like, what am I gonna do? All right, whatever. It's gonna be worth it though, because of the beautiful places we'll see. And the biggest reason I got one, we breed and rescue Aussies, Australian Shepherds, and I can take them with me. Hotels suck with 8 dogs. All right, line that up. There we go. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is the wheel chocks. Badger, where did Pumbaa go? He poops. Oh, actually, I have the wrench on this side. All right, and same thing with these. Little pressure, not too tight. They should be kind of close, yeah. Just kidding. It's funny, it's kind of easy to finger tighten them. Not feeling a ton of tension. Yeah, there we go. All right, that's good. Let's go do the other side. This is Badgie. He's 9. Aren't you, Badge? You old man? Yeah. All right, stick this in here. These are awesome. Yeah, that's good. I'm not even, well, let's see. Yeah, that feels good. All right, now we can go inside. Put this here. Pull down the steps. Now, I haven't been in here since I drove it, so let's see if anything moves. Oh, freezer came open. That's okay. I had like a little door card in it. So we'll put this back. By the way, it took me forever to even learn how to use that. It's also, oh wait, I think I gotta put it on the bottom. There we go. Where's my temperature thing? Let's see. 80 in here. That's fun. All right, actually, I'll turn the AC on after. Oh, see? This is why you need a checklist, and I haven't done mine yet. I was just about to open this door and do the slide, but we're not hooked up yet. So, let's get hooked up. All right. Now, what's nice about this too, it has this light like the other cable that comes with it, and it's like straight on. So that's nice. Okay, my water. All right, here's one complaint. This comes on every time you plug in power. I velcroed my remotes up here, so I'll just turn that off. Maybe. Oh, I have to wait for it to boot up, apparently. All right, now we can open the slide. All right, fingers crossed, there's nothing in the way. Drop of water. That's normal because it rained, so if there's water on top of the slide, which I probably should have wiped off, it came in. I don't see any obstacles. Check for obstacles over here. Looks like nothing really moved, which is cool. All right, let's open the slide. I can't believe how big it is in here with this open. This is crazy. Also, always make sure you're not going to hit anything outside, which I already did. Look at that. Jesus. And I always hold it for a few seconds after, because I'm told that makes sure it's like completely out. Alright, now this TV's on. I gotta reset all the clocks apparently. Turn that off. And, more importantly, I'm sweating to death. Let's turn the AC on. Cool, I had it set to 75. That's probably alright. Woo! Alright, so that is how you set up a Grand Designs 22 MLE. If anybody saw anything that I did wrong, feel free to let me know. I'm a total rookie, but I love this thing. Badger, do you love it? Badger loves it too. Thanks for watching. All right, one thing I forgot to talk about is my tongue jack cover, which I love. This thing, keep this thing out of the sun. So it's really simple. Just goes on, and then I tighten this little pull cord thing. You guys can't even see, like so. And then what I do is I take these and put them on the safety chains because I feel like this could still blow away. Like that. And then just hang it down. And then I'll do it on the other side.